Okay, you're all registered for Run Ranger Run and you're ready to log miles. I'm here to walk you through that process. When you registered for Run Ranger Run, you received an automatic email message to the email address that you provided to us in the registration process. We suggest that you keep this email message around for a while. It's got all your pertinent links to your fundraising page, to your team's fundraising page, as well as other resources. About third down on the list is a question, are you ready to log miles? If you are a team leader, you're going to go to this first link and you are going to register or create your team through the mileage log system. When you go through this process, that is what will populate your team into the drop-down menu for your teammates to choose and tag themselves to your team later. When you're done with that process, or if you're just a teammate and you just need to register your account, you're going to click this link here, and it's going to bring you out to a create your account page. Now, if you participated in Run Ranger Run in 2017, you're going to be able to click here, and it'll bring you right here into a login window. If you forgot your password, you can recover your password there. Otherwise, you're going to need to create an account, and you're going to click here. You're going to provide your first name, last name, and email. You're going to select your team from the menu. Now note that the teams aren't in alphabetical order right now. They're in order by the date in which the team was registered in the system. So if your team was more recently registered, then I would start from the bottom up. You're going to create a password. Our suggestion to you here is that you use the same password that you used when you registered in the fundraising platform. Now on February 1st, when you're ready to come in and log your miles, out here on the front page of the runrangerrun.com site, right over in this area, will be some buttons that say, do you want to log your miles or log miles here. You'll be able to take that shortcut, which will lead you directly into your account page where you can log in. Once you're into your mileage account, it's going to ask you, or right over here on the side, you'll be able to view your mileage log, log your miles, or update your account info. We look forward to having you with us for Run Ranger Run, and we will update this tutorial when we have a little bit more updated information as we inch closer to February 1st.